Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. We are your hosts, Elegance on a Budget. If you are new to our channel and are viewing for the first time, we would like to welcome you. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. We would love it if you would hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you will be notified every time we post a new video. Today we will be bringing you another wedding wine glass centerpiece. And if this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching.
Everything that I'm working with is from the Dollar Tree. So what we're going to do is that I'm going to place the rolls here. And this would be on the outside of your glass. So you just glue it. You always want the leaves, though, to kind of stand out with the rolls. See how pretty that is? You want it to kind of stand out. So you just put it on the outside of your glass. Now, this is where you want to start with your wine glass. You always put your rolls at the bottom. On this particular DIY, you want to start with your rolls first. And that's the front of it. Now you can keep it stemmed out to here if you want, or you can cut it a little bit. And I think I'm just going to cut it just a little, just so the stem wouldn't be sticking out so far. This is what it should look like. Now after that, you want to kind of fix it up. If you want to kind of open it a little bit, you can. Now with this particular one here, we're going to do something else in the front with it. The bottom would be last of everything. So this is your Dollar Tree candle holder. So you want to put your styrofoam. Also I wanted to mention to you also about high temp and also the low temp glue gun. But right now I have it on the high temp. And this particular styrofoam, if you put too high of a heat glue on here, then it will it melts it because the glue is too hot. But with the lower temp, you could always cut it down, and that would be perfect for it. Yeah, or if you want to do your high temp, you only put a small amount. Okay, the flowers that I'm using is the Dollar Tree flowers. The reason why this one look a little bit different is because at the time they were single stems doing Valentine's Day, and they were $1. And that was the first time. Now I don't know if they ever have them again, but if so, be watching out and grab them because they are beautiful. And all I paid was $1 for it. So all of the flowers are $1. We're going to start decorating. Start putting the flowers in.
We were going to go with one brooch, but we decided to place 2 brooches on this wine glass, and we chose a brooch by Totally Dazzled, and she has absolutely beautiful brooches. We will leave a link below to the place where you can order her beautiful brooches, and we're going to add a pearl in the center just to match the other brooch.
This is your table centerpiece. This is really nice, simple, very easy, inexpensive. If you prefer, you can also put your diamonds in here. You can put your pearls all through here, or just your baby breath. You can do all 3 if you desire, but it's just so much that you can do with this particular little table centerpiece. And you can use your imagination to do all types. If you wanted to put your little chandelier or whatever, the little short ones, you can make your own and you can just hang them from here. I'm finding out that with wine glasses, you can do a lot with those. You can just make them up all different types of ways.
This does complete our tutorial for today. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, give us a thumbs up. And comment down below and let us know if you enjoy more tutorials like this. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so at this time so you can receive all notifications every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you, and we will see you on our next video. Bye.